In this video, we will review NatWest Bank Investment Account. NatWest Bank Investment Account ISA is a popular choice for individuals looking to invest while benefiting from tax-free returns. As part of the Individual Savings Account, the ISA scheme, this account allows UK residents to invest in a range of stocks and shares and funds without paying any tax on the profits. NatWest offers a selection of investment options, including ready-made portfolios, individual stocks and bonds, making it suitable for both beginners and more experienced investors. The platform is easy to use, with a clean interface and access to a variety of tools to help users track their investment, monitor performance, and see profit. One of the standout features of NatWest Investment ISA is its flexibility, allowing you to manage your portfolio online or via the NatWest mobile app. However, some users may find the fees for certain funds or investments slightly higher than expected, or competitors. Additionally, while NatWest offers helpful investment guidance, it's always important for investors to conduct their own research or seek independent financial advice. Overall, NatWest Investment ISA is a solid choice for anyone looking to make a tax-free investment account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.